Hello, my favorite CopperCube people. So today I'm going to have a short video. I just want to say that POC3 is released on the test server, so you can try it yourself. It has some bug fixes which I've done offline uh, because there was a functionality which was completely broken related to fighting. Now fighting mechanics works more or less. And I just want to recap what we actually done because quite a lot of functionality was actually implemented, which is great. So first of all, we have our character movement, and this is all calculated on the server side, and client only receive the position. We also done linear interpolation. So we call server not every frame, but only one time in 100 milliseconds, which means better optimization, of course. We have our camera. So if you right click, you can rotate the camera and point it to the direction you need. Also, you have this little green dot marker, which shows where you're going to go next. In case you run into the obstacle, your character will stop. And this is collision calculation, and it's also calculated on the server side, not on the client, which I think is sort of good. This collision also works for enemy characters. Not sure if some of them was going to run into the well, but I mean, if they do, they also won't go through it. And as you can see, currently there are 15 enemies here, and only me, only one character, but it doesn't seem like something is lagging, which is also good, I believe. This is nice. So, oh, so he ran into the well and just stopped, which means performance-wise, I'm sorry, performance-wise, we are still good, sort of good. And then the very last step which we done, we implemented a simple fighting mechanics where you can point on the enemy, click on it, and your character will start attacking the enemy. So after the enemy is dead, the corpse will disappear and it will respawn somewhere in the new position soon. I think it's this guy who respawned. So I think that's the whole functionality we have right now. We also have the chat, which is still working. I verify it works every time I release a new version. And we generate random player names. So I think that's actually quite a good progress. But now I sort of run into the issue because the server side is sort of became a mess. I didn't really think about how I will organize the server side, so I just was throwing code on top of lines of code on top of each other, and currently it doesn't seem like everything works perfectly fine, and more importantly, it doesn't seem like I can maintain the code written that way. So the next step would be to refactor the server side and also probably switch to TypeScript. This is something I was talking from maybe video number 2, and I think it's finally time to do so. And this is also something that I'm going to be doing offline, I think, and I'll just show you the result, the end result. And for this POC, you can probably check the bug fixes yourself. They're, I won't say they're straightforward, they're actually quite messed up. And also, this is part of the reason why I don't want to proceed with existing code base, and also why I don't want to make like the real video on how I fix these bugs, because I feel like the fix is not that good, and it would be better to just redo everything from the beginning. But this is PLC3, and you can try it yourself, and we're going to improve it in the future. Also, it seems like Potato Server is working quite well with this code, so Um, at least for a couple of players, no optimization is required and it will work probably okay. I tried it with from two laptops and it seems like everything was working. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. Probably the next one will come maybe in a couple of weeks or so. I'm not quite sure because I also like free time right now. But overall, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. See you next time.